First order of the day, McDonald's, $8.50 for 6 miles. Not my favorite, but I was sitting around for a while, so I just ended up taking it. Gotta make this quick because I lose service here. Once that happens, I'm stuck for another 5 minutes.
I got a few more bags coming out, okay? Because I'm just out of bags for it, so I'm gonna have to use a regular bag. And
just making sure.
Yeah. And this is how our Dr. Pepper is coming out right now. Is there a different drink that they'd want?
Well, I'm not going to be getting my full tip. I already know that. Second order, sees the bagel, $9 for 5 miles. Early in the morning, so it's hard to tell if it's going to be super busy. So it might be worth it, might not be. Total was $10.25. There was a hidden tip on that. Just got a McDonald's order, $7 for 3 miles. I'm right next to the McDonald's, so it's probably not ready yet, but I'm gonna take it anyways.
Anything else? No. Yes. 779. Here for a pickup. Thank you.
Thank you. God, what did this guy get? These eggs do not smell good. I would not eat these eggs if I was him. So I just got another McDonald's order from the same place. I don't remember the details because I was getting spammed while I was trying to get out of that customer's driveway, but I took it, so it has to be good. Thank you. You too. It's a 9, right?
That's your pickup at Voodoo Donuts.
$12 for 7 miles.
What is the name on your order? Here, is that for you?
Thank you. You too. Got an order for Tonales Donuts, $8.25 for like 4 miles, I think it said.
Yeah, let's do one of those.
Here. These two?
You have arrived.
Total was $9.75. Hidden tip on that one. Just got an order for a kitchen table cafe, $8.75 for 6 miles. There's a chance for a hidden tip on this, so I'm gonna take it.
It's right here.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Holy, thank God that was ready on time. I was about to throw up. Got to shop and deliver for some alcohol, $9.25 for 3 miles. I'm right across the street from it too, so should be pretty easy.
Welcome back.
One of those days where the system does not want to. Okay.
There we go. I gotcha.
Is that recording?
Oh yeah.
Nice, cool. Have a good one.
Yeah, you too.
You have arrived.
Yeah, let me grab my ID.
Yep. Appreciate it. that back. And then just scribble on that red line for me. Good enough for me. There you are.
All right, thanks, man.
You have a good day. Just got a Starbucks order. It's like $7.50 for about 4 miles. It's already heading in this direction, so I'm just gonna take it. There's nobody parked in front of it. I don't even know if it's open. Grace? Yeah, thank you. Got another Starbucks order, $10 for 6 miles.
Are you here for a pickup? Not quite done yet. How about my mobile order? I have to wait for. Alright, thank you for waiting. Have a good day.
Thank you. Lady was about to go Karen. Meet at door. Alright, it is 11:11. I think I'm gonna start heading home. Tummy is grumbling. I'm gonna leave the apps on just in case, but more than likely this will be the last clip. Total is about 84 with a few Uber tips yet to come in. Should be putting me about 110, 115 if the payout is what it said it would be. And yeah, bye.